Good morning. Always have to start your morning with some tea. Yes. I'm Batman. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make your very own gel mask for your face, so your face can feel soft like a baby's butt. Now, what kind of face mask? What?
Round
Anyway,
two.
what kind of face mask? Got it a second time, you know? You had us in the first half, not gonna lie, but I got it. Now I forgot what I was talking about. What the fuck? I remember. I'm gonna create a face mask for me.
お前はもう死んでいる。何？
Why do I keep saying it that way? First, you need this machine, okay? This machine is what's gonna make the gel come out of here, okay? So when it's ready, so whatever ingredient you want to use is up to you. Just Google whatever's good for your face, or you know, depending on what kind of thing you want to achieve. Like for me, I have baggy eyes, so I always try to get products that help, even though it's such a struggle. So first, black tea, because it's good for you, okay? Don't ask me what does it do, okay? Just Google it and you'll know. Lazy. You need water, obviously. Next, sugar, you know, because it's good, you know, for scrubbing and all of that. You almost had me, you tricked me. I almost gonna tell you what it does. No, Google it. Then, whew, extra virgin olive oil. Yes, baby. Yes! Raw honey, baby. Do you like honey, baby? Well, this is your honey. Then, you get this thing that I got. It's called Cocabo. Very cool name. But this is what it has, okay? It has raw extra, okay? Just in case you're feeling extra today, this is what you get, the extra virgin. But we all know that you're not a virgin anymore. So, anyway, this is the closest thing that you get from here. You know, the thing I like about this oil is the fact that it's cold pressed, and you know, it's the cold pressed one always stay with the great benefit that it has and all of that. Oh my goodness! No, Google it. Anyway, so you got coconut and avocado oil with turmeric and lemon. You know, this turmeric thing, I gotta tell you, I just recently found out about it. Ha! It's right here again! You thought you saw the last of me. No! Turmeric is back, and I am organic. Anyway, I heard a lot of great things about turmeric. It seems like it's something that a lot of people have just recently found out, but it has quite a history. So if you really want to know what it does, you know, just you know what to do, baby. Anyway, so now that you put all of this shit together, you're gonna get this crap. Now this shit look disgusting and it doesn't really smell that pretty, but I gotta tell you, baby, beauty is pain. So if you really want your face to glow and have all the great benefit that all of this shit will give your face, anyway, then do this and, you know, just deal with it for now. We're gonna, you know, plug this thing in and let's see. What the fuck? I see you. Okay, I'm sorry. Alexa, you have a competition. Anyway,
I don't have an opinion on that.
of course you don't, bitch. So now we're gonna add water. Brum, 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 brum. Enough water for you, bitch, because you keep asking me. I am! Jesus, be patient. God damn it. Anyway. Oh shit, fuck. See, this is what you get. A little bit of this disgusting, you know, this is,
Please add collagen peptide and press
great.
start button.
What? I heard she say hentai. Was that just me? Can you guys rewind the video and tell me if she said hentai?
Please add collagen peptide and press start button.
I keep hearing hentai. I don't know what you guys hear. Maybe it's because my mind is open right now. in order for her to work? Molly.
Please add collagen peptide and press start button.
So we're gonna give her some Molly. See if the god of what's your name, by the way? Damn it! I'm going. Molly. Anyway, so she say, which one is it? This one? Oh shit! Fuck! Ah, damn it! What the fuck? She pissed herself. So don't make the same mistake. It's this one. There you go. Are you happy now? Will you shut up?
Please
Finally?
wait while processing.
Well, don't tell me what to do. I wait if I want to. You know what I'm gonna do while I wait? Alexa, play some music, baby.
Here's a playlist you might like. The top 50 most played on Amazon Music.
Alexa, stop that shit. Alexa, play some music.
Sure, playing music you like.
Despacito, quiero respirar tu cuello despacito. Deja que te diga.
Now that you waited long and hard. Anyway, so I played a long game. Oh, what? After waiting and waited, I don't like waiting, but this bitch, she made me wait. Now this is the end result, and it is hard. So hard, like mine. For all you beautiful ladies or beautiful men, I don't know who's watching, honestly. If you are into that, not judging, it's cool to, have a nice routine for your skin. Now I take this spatula like the Krusty Krab. Do you want to crusty my crab? Off track. Anyway, you take the little spatula thingy to just go like around the edges over here, Bing, 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 bing. I want to be fast. I'm going like the wind so fast. You're never gonna catch me. Oh shit, what did I do? Monster. So, I took the mask off after like 15 minutes, I think. And you can see like the skin is glowing already. Let's see. So I'm gonna wash my face off and see the end result. Time to wash your face. I'm gonna use this green tea exfoliating. That sounds very fancy. It has an accent. We look dude like just like me. Anyway, and then I'm gonna use this thing for hyper, and it's a face wash. So I'm gonna combine them together, and then let's see what happens. There you go. It looks like baby poop. I'm sorry for all you new mother or girls that are pregnant right now. I don't mean to freak you out, but yeah, this is baby poop. Now to put the baby poop in my face. End result, the skin looks like it's glowing, because it is. It's glowing, baby. Believe it. It's glowing. By the way, I'm actually 57 years old. See? Exactly. Just kidding. I'm not 57. Although, when I'm 57, I hope that I can look like this. Now, I'm gonna take care of my toenails, because they're disgusted. But that's a video for another day. Bye. If you like this video as much as I like you, baby, make sure to share with your friends. That way I can like them too. Now don't be selfish. There's plenty of me for everybody.